Uh-oh. Oh my goodness sakes. Nixon has a bad cough. Where's your bad cough? Nixon! Nixon! Where's your bad cough? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh, what do we do with that cough? Oh my goodness. Oh dear. What do we do with that cough? Is it all done now? Is your bad cough all done? Oh my goodness. Oh, what are we gonna do? Nixon's coughing. Do you still have a bad cough? Where's your bad cough? Nixon. Oh my goodness sakes, that's a bad. Oh, that's a bad cough. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? That's a bad cough. Do we take you to the doctor? Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness sakes. Whatever will we do with that bad? Oh gee whiz. Are you all done? It's not done yet? Nixon, what are we gonna do with your bad cough? Yeah? Say mama. Say mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Say Sadia. Yeah? Is that the best? Mama. Oh, and a big yawn. Yeah? You don't have any more cough in there, do you? Nixon. Do you have any more bad cough in there? Is it all gone? A little smirky. Hey, a little smirky. Do you have any more bad cough? No? No?